Greetings everyone, today is January 18th and I got a special unboxing here I'm very excited about. This is an order I placed for the first time with Bird Rock Tropicals. They're out in California and they specialize in bromeliads. So I got some bromeliads here for our froggy friends. Let's see what we got. And we are a very cold day today here in Florida. And it's typical January weather here. This morning it was 36, and tonight's not going to be much better. Slightly better at 40 tonight. Okay, so we ordered 3. And I'm just going to start with this one. Wow, it's so red. Is it labeled? Good, it's labeled. This is Vulcan Cross Black Knight. I think these will color up once they get some better lighting. That's cool. That's a pretty big one. I ordered a lot of these that are small enough to fit into a terrarium. Oh wow, I know which one this is. I have been writing this marble throat for a long time. Oh good, it has some of the marble in there. That new leaf looks like it's going to be white. So we've got Near Regalia Marble Throat. Very, very cool. A pup! It's got a pup. That's wonderful. Alright, I have been searching for these guys. I ordered 2 of them. Ta-da! Look at that. I've heard these were really, really small. These are 2 pups. And I don't think they get much bigger than this of Near Regalia Chiquita Linda. Means beautiful little one. And this will be great for the frog tanks. They'll fit right in. Alright, so those are the 4 bromeliads that I got from Bird Rock Tropicals. I'd say I'm rather happy with this, and I'll probably be ordering more from them in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Des, signing off.